What if I told you that the AI image generator you've been using is already outdated? Because ByteDance just dropped something that's genuinely changing the game, and most people haven't even heard of it yet. This is Seedream 5.0, and it's not just another image generator. It can search the internet in real time while generating your image. It understands what you actually mean, not just what you type. It can reason through complex logic, edit images through conversation, and keep your characters looking consistent across dozens of outputs. And in this video, I'm going to walk you through every single one of those features, step by step, with live examples so you can see exactly what this thing can do. Let's get into it. Today we're doing a deep dive into Seedream 5.0, ByteDance's newest and most powerful image generation model. It's available right now on platforms like CapCut, Dreamina, and through the BytePlus API. However, I am accessing Seedream 5.0 on Artlist because I already have access to Artlist, as I use stock assets, music, and SFX from Artlist. And now it's partnering with several generative AI tools like Veo, Sora, Flux, and many more. And the latest and most hyped AI video generator Seedance 2.0 is also coming very soon. So why do I waste money on multiple subscriptions? Alright, this is the Artlist homepage. You will find the link in the description. You just have to create an account, and you will be on this page. You will find the AI image, video, and voiceover generator tool here. Under that, you will find all tools, footages, music, and SFX. Okay, to access Seedream 5.0, come to the AI Toolkit of Artlist from here, where the AI tools live. You can create images, videos, and voiceovers under one interface. To access Seedream 5.0, come to the Image tab, and then click here. Now you will notice all the popular image generator models like Nano Banana Pro, Seedream 5.0, Kling 3.0, Grok Imagine, GPT Image, Flux, and others. I'm selecting the Seedream 5.0 model. Okay, once the model is selected, enter the prompt here in this box. Most AI image generators work like a search engine. You type keywords, it matches patterns. You say sunset beach woman, it gives you a sunset, a beach, and a woman. Simple. But Seedream 5.0 works differently. It's trying to understand your intent, the mood, the atmosphere, the creative goal behind what you're asking for. Let me show you what I mean. I am entering a ready prompt. However, you will find all the prompts in the description. After entering the prompt, you can add a reference image. Seedream allows 10 reference images. For this image, we don't need any reference image. Next, set the aspect ratio, resolution, and the number of images you want to generate. Once everything is set, hit the send button and then wait for some time. Look at that. The alarm clock design blends the warm tones of a sunset with clean, minimal, tech-inspired aesthetics. It didn't just slap a clock in front of a sunset, it interpreted the mood. This is huge for creators because it means you don't have to spend 20 minutes engineering the perfect prompt. You can write naturally, the way you'd describe an idea to a colleague, and the model figures out what you're going for. Let me try another one, something even more abstract. See that? The lighting, the color grading, the expression, it all communicates that emotional tone. That's not keyword matching. That's genuine intent understanding. This alone makes Seedream 5.0 a massive upgrade for anyone who's ever felt frustrated trying to speak AI just to get a decent image. Okay, now let's try something more interesting. Most AI image generators struggle with anything that requires spatial logic, physics, or multi-step thinking. You ask for a blue cup to the left of a red book, and you get a blue cup on top of the book, or to the right, or floating in midair. Seedream 5.0 has a dedicated reasoning layer that actually thinks through your request before generating. Let me demonstrate. I am entering the prompt, set the settings, and then hitting the generate button. Look at that. The mug is on the left, the book is in the center, the plant is on the right, and the shadows are falling to the left because the light source is on the right. That's physics. That's spatial logic. And Seedream 5.0 nailed it. Let's try something even more complex. This is the kind of output that used to require a graphic designer. Accurate labels, correct flow direction, logical spatial arrangement. The reasoning layer understands how the water cycle works, not just what it looks like. Alright, now we're getting into something that completely changes how you work with AI image generation. Multi-turn conversational editing. Here's the old way of doing things. You generate an image, you don't like something about it, you rewrite your entire prompt and start over. And you repeat that cycle 5, 10, 15 times until you get something close to what you wanted. Seedream 5.0 throws that workflow out the window. Instead, you generate an image, and then you talk to it. You tell it what to change, and it changes just that thing, while keeping everything else exactly the same. Let me show you. I am creating an image of a young woman in a red jacket standing in a city street at night, and here is the image. Okay, I like the composition. I like the lighting, but let's say I want to change the jacket color. So I am uploading the image and then asking to change the jacket color to deep navy blue. Perfect. The jacket is now navy blue. The face, the background, the lighting, all untouched. Now let's say I want to adjust the background. There it is. New background, same woman, same lighting on her face. This is surgical level editing through natural language. Okay, now let's talk about character and subject consistency. And this one is huge for anyone doing brand work, storytelling, or content series. The classic problem with AI image generation is that every time you generate a new image, your character looks slightly different. Different face shape, different eye color, different vibe. It makes it nearly impossible to build a consistent visual identity. Seedream 5.0 has significantly improved its identity retention system. Let me show you. I am uploading a character image as the reference and then entering the prompt to generate the image. Same face, same features, different scene, different pose, different lighting, but unmistakably the same person. I am generating another image with the same character, still consistent. This is what makes Seedream 5.0 viable for real professional workflows, not just one-off generations. Let's talk about something that has been a notorious weakness of AI image generators for years: text rendering and layout design. If you've ever tried to put readable text inside an AI-generated image, you know the pain. Seedream 5.0 has made serious strides here. Let's create an image. Look at that. Clean headline, readable subtext, proper spacing. The hierarchy is clear. Big title, smaller details below. This is poster quality output straight from a text prompt. And it handles bilingual text too, both English and Chinese, which is a major advantage for global brands and creators working across markets. Both languages, clean and readable, even at small sizes. That's genuinely impressive. Alright, now let's talk about image-to-image stylization. And this is where the creative possibilities really explode. You take an existing image, a photo, a sketch, a reference, and you transform it into a completely different style while keeping the core content intact. Let's say I want to turn this image into a Studio Ghibli animation style. And here is the result. In the same method, I created a noir graphic novel style and a vintage 1970s travel poster. 3 completely different styles, same source image. And the quality of each transformation is genuinely impressive. It's not just a filter, it's a full stylistic reinterpretation. Alright, now I will talk about the most important feature of Seedream 5.0, multi-image fusion. And this one is a powerhouse for product and commercial work. Seedream 5.0 lets you input multiple reference images and combine elements from all of them into a single, cohesive output. The model accurately identifies which elements come from which reference image and fuses them intelligently. This is a massive time saver for e-commerce teams, game developers, and creative agencies. Honestly, Seedream 5.0 is one of the most complete image generation tools available right now. It's not just about making pretty pictures, it's about building a real creative workflow that's fast, intelligent, and actually reliable. And now it's available on Artlist along with other powerful AI models and a vast library of stock assets. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe if you want more deep dives like this. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.